Bonjour classe, bienvenue à la 7e semaine de notre classe. For cette semaine, we will first be learning about definite articles. So a definite article in English is the. In French, it is a little bit different because we have multiple forms. So we have LE, LA, LES, and L apostrophe. And we'll be learning a little bit more about those. But basically they all mean the. It just has to do with French grammatical structure and the gender of nouns. And we do not have the gender of nouns in English. For example, I just say a table. Whereas in French, we would give the table a gender just because this is how grammar works in French. So we're going to learn a little bit more about that and how that makes sense. I want you guys to be well aware that you guys do have two discussions going on this week. So our first discussion is going to be talking about something that we do every day, every week, habitually. For example, le samedi, je danse. Every Saturday, I dance. When I say le samedi, just le, it indicates that every single Saturday I do this activity. And then again, as always, we will have to reply to two peers. We will also be completing a reading and writing activity. And then on Wednesday, October 3rd, it is incredibly important that you guys log on this day and complete and submit this assignment on this day. The Otter Journal, désolé, revisited. So you guys wrote a Otter Journal in the beginning of the semester, and now you guys are going to be going back and reviewing that and kind of seeing where you're doing well, seeing where you can improve, and setting some more goals for yourself. So again, it's incredibly important for October count for our school that you guys log on this day and complete and submit the U2 Otter Journal Revisited on this day. With this being said, if you guys look back in my updates, I do mention our October count window is from September 26th through October 10th. So it is incredibly important that you guys try as hard as you possibly can to log on and complete assignments and interact with the course as often as you guys can through this period. So please try and do that. Again, this week we will have staggered due dates. Everything won't be due on Sunday. It is technically due on Sunday, so I'm not going to mark anything as a 0 until Monday morning. However, I'm trying to get you guys to interact with the course and to stay on par with the curriculum. So please try and meet these due dates that you guys will see in Schoology. And you can see the due dates on the left-hand column, the right-hand column of our Schoology homepage. So the next thing that you guys will be doing this week is une autre histoire. So you guys just completed une histoire, l'histoire en, avant means before. You guys took l'unité en examen. And as a side note, if you guys have not taken this exam, please go back and take this exam before continuing on in Unit 2. It's really hurting your grade if you have a 0 right now because assessments are 35% of our overall grade. So if you did not complete that exam at all and have a 0% right now, then it's really hurting your grade. So please make sure to at least attempt the unit exam. So we will be completing une autre histoire and filling in some more of those boxes from our dictionnaire and learning just some more vocab and the way that French grammatical structures work. So there will be another activity such as this. Our second discussion has to do with retell l'histoire. So for retell l'histoire, I really want you guys to focus on the fact that you need to submit 3 different lines. They cannot be right in a row. My goal is for you to submit one on one day, another on another day, and another on another day. So you need 3 in total. For the past discussion, a lot of you guys only submitted 1 or 2 lines, and so that got you guys a bad grade in the discussion. And I really want to help you to succeed. So please, when there's a discussion, fully read the instructions down to the very bottom detail, because that was the bottom detail, is that you guys need to return 3 different times, so you can't just be replying to yourself, and you need to contribute a line to the story that we have just learned. And the last activity that we will be completing this week is a speaking activity tesore. So yes, again, please try and be as active as possible as you can throughout this week, and through October 10th. It really helps with our October count, and on October 3rd, please log on, complete, and submit the assignment that is listed on October 3rd on the suggested calendar, which is going to be that Otter Journal Revisited. Alors, s'il vous plaît, as always, if you guys have any questions or any concerns or confused about anything, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. I'm your teacher, and this is what I'm here for. So any question at all, no matter how small, no matter how big, or if you think it is a silly question, please reach out to me. I really want to be able to help you guys. And I can't help you if I don't know where you need help. Alors, bonne semaine et bonne chance.